Hey Hermosa, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Erica and today's video is going to be another video of me painting my face slash body. I've done a couple of videos like this. I will put them here from the past if you guys are interested. So I just thought that I would do a little inspired makeup look that is kind of for Halloween, kind of just for fun. But I just figured since it's Halloween season, I'm gonna be posting a new Halloween kind of video. So hopefully you guys are excited for today's video. If you want to see how I get this really fun creative look that I have brewing in my mind, then go ahead and keep watching. Yeah, I can't wait to paint my body and my face, and I hope you guys enjoy this transformation. I will say this is not going to be an in-depth tutorial. If you want one in the future, maybe I will do one, but I'm kind of a visual learner, so if it was me trying to redo this look, I would just want to simply watch someone else do it, but I totally understand if you guys need more instruction. So go ahead and let me know what kind of video you do prefer, because with these more complicated looks, I kind of am wondering, you know, what format you guys enjoy, because I want to give you guys what you want. But so I'm just going to be doing a little time-lapse kind of moment today. Really quick before I do start, I want to say I'm going to be putting petitions or GoFundMe's and links in the description down below, so please go ahead and check that out. If you have some extra time, I would really appreciate it, and it would mean a lot to me. And let's go ahead and get into this video, guys. I don't know if I'm going to have an outro, so make sure to subscribe, girl. Hit that notification bell, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then go ahead and give me a like, and let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I didn't even say what I'm doing yet. Wow. I don't know why I feel like I haven't filmed in forever, but I haven't even said what look I'm going to be doing. So I'm actually going to be doing a little inspired look by Lisa Frank. Do you guys know what Lisa Frank is, or who she is, or what she's about? Because let me tell you, have you guys been to middle school? Have you been to elementary school? Because I swear to God, when I went, every kid's folder looked like this, and I loved it. I loved this, like, I loved this time when silly bands were a thing, you guys, and everyone had a freaking Lisa Frank backpack slash folder. Okay, so here are a couple pictures of my inspiration for today. If you guys don't know who Lisa Frank is, then just go look her up. She's amazing, and I'm really inspired by her little kids art. I really like it. I like all the colors, and I think that might be the last one. Yep, that's the last one. So yeah, can I get this backpack? So that's what today's video is going to be. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get right on into it. Roll the intro.